life tables. So let's do this. Calculate the probability that a life now aged 30 exact will die between ages 55 and 65 both exact. Mortality is ELT 15 males. So what we'll do, first part going to this question 1. We have to basically take out a deferred mortality, a deferred probability that 30 will now die between this. So alt equals to 30 deferred, and then we have to 55. So 25 deferred, and then we have to write 10q 30. So our shortcut, which at least my shortcut which I have saved, is Alt Shift H. Okay, so this inserts this. The deferred sign has to be there. It is gone. Okay, and then NQX. This is my n over here is 10 and x over here is 30. Okay, so 10q 30, 25 divided 10q 30 will be 25p 30 into 10q 55, which we all know. So again Alt Shift G will insert my TPX. So 10, 25, sorry, making a mistake, 25 years he'll be alive, and 30 into Alt Shift G into Alt Shift H, which is 10p 55. Okay, and then you can keep on doing L55. So L underscore 55 minus L underscore 65 divided by L underscore 30 is equals to 91217 minus 79293. Values are coming from tables. Again, if you have seen the guidance, you can skip out this step in between, but I have written 97645, which is equals to 0.12212. Okay, so this is part 1, and part 2. Part 2 says calculate the above probability, again assuming the phases below. Mortality is given to us, mu x is equals to 0.05. So now what happens is, what I'll do is I'll copy this part at least, and for 25 deferred, if you solve this, basically 25p 30 into 10q 55, this comes to 25p 30 minus, copying this, 35p 30. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll first calculate the value for kp 30. So again Alt Shift G, I'll kp 30. We need kp 30 because k is varying, so that is exp minus backslash int underscore 0 to the power k, and then backslash mu underscore 30 plus s and ds. Okay, and brackets close. Come out of the integral, brackets close. So therefore this is equals to exp minus int underscore 0 to the power k, int underscore 0 to the power k, and then we'll put the value 0.005 e to the power 0.009, and then in brackets 30 plus s minus 20. So this is e to the power, put a bracket again to close this, and then ds. Okay, come out of the highlighted region, brackets close. So this is there. Now only the integral I will solve. So focusing on the integral, backslash int, I'm not writing this again, just copying it from here. So save time on copy pasting. So this is equals to, if you solve this, this comes to 0.005 e to the power 0.09 10 plus s, brackets close, whole divided by 0.09 brackets close underscore 0 to the power k. Okay, solving this we get the value of 5 by 90 e to the power 0.09 10 plus k minus e to the power 0.9. Okay, brackets close. So this is how you solve the integral. Now if you see what we have, we had calculated kp30, we needed 25p30 and 35p30. So putting k equals to 25 first in this equation, this becomes 10 plus 25. So this is equals to 5 by 90 e to the power 3.15 minus e to the power 0.9. 3.05. So this is your first part. Okay, next question. This is also a past year question. We'll do question 4. Calculate 10 deferred, 15Q60, 12P select 50 plus 1 and A40 10 4 basis mortality AM92 and interest 6% per annum. So again new question. Question 10. Alt equals to 10 deferred 15. So again 10 deferred, alt shift H. This is there. Again my n's value is here 15 and x's value is 60. Okay, so this is equals to again brackets L underscore 70 minus L underscore 85 divided by L underscore 60. 8054.0544 minus 3385.2. 9037.3960 divided by 9686.9669 is equal to 0.93294. And part C, A44010. So again A44010. So you have this. See, Alt Shift O has my A due XNM. I haven't saved A XNM because we need A XNM here. I'll just write A XNM in very fast. So A underscore X is to N to the power M. This is done, and just click on N divided by bar and space. So AXN, by mistake I wrote XN when I was writing. I could have written directly A4010. So this is A4010, which is equals to A40M. This is 4 minus V to the power 10 10px. So Alt Shift G 10p40, and then we need A54. So A underscore 50 to the power 4. Okay, this is there. I haven't saved. You can save your shortcuts and use. I have saved only some. Now we know our approximations, that A due 44 and so on we can use for our values. So ADD dot, okay, AD dot underscore 40 to the power 4, put double brackets 4, okay, then only it will be there, minus 1 by 4 in brackets this portion, and then minus V to the power 10 minus V to the power 10 10px. So that is, the remaining portion is same from here, and then you have the same thing, copy the same portion from here and paste it here. A due 50 minus 4, alt equals to, once you solve this, we know that in the tables the values for A due X and not A due XN. So again we have to convert A due X N to again A due X. So this again will be solved. So ADD dot underscore 40 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So approximations are in 2 steps, and then minus V to the power 10 10px, copy till here, open brackets and copy this entire thing, then only 50 remains changed, and close brackets. So this is what is there. And now substituting the values for A due 40 and V to the power 10 10p50 everything. So we get finally 15.491 divided by 5 by 8, oh sorry, minus 5 by 8, minus V to minus 1.06 to the power minus 10 into 9712.0728 divided by 9856.2863 into 14.044 minus 5 by 8. solving this is equals to 7.4825. okay. Coming to next line, next sum, then that is the next sum is question 7. Calculate 1.75 P82.75 using the method of uniform distributions of debt and using the method of constant force of mortality in basis ALT 15 males. So again, new question starting from a new page. Question 3. So alt equals to, again, control alt shift G gives me this, and I need to calculate the value of 1.75 P to 82.75. so these are the values I need to calculate. So I'll break this down, just copying this, pasting. Values will change. First, this value will be from 0.25 82.75 to 0.25, control V. Then this is from 83 to 1. Okay, and then already in between we have 0.5, so 84. Okay, so these are the values, and now we'll have to calculate the values using UDD. Using UDD, we have alt equals to 1.75 P 82.75 is equals to, brackets open, 1 minus 0. Now I will again copy these, okay, and just change the P to Q because we are using UDD and UDD works in Q. So 1 minus, brackets close, into 1 minus 0.5 P 84. Okay, once you are done, alt equals to, now coming to this, we'll solve this. So 1 minus, this becomes 0.25 Q82. Just change this to Q. Do not forget, I forgot to change these to Q. Here also it becomes Q. Okay, 0.25, alt shift H is my Q. Okay, I need this to be 1. This is Q and this is normal 82. 1 minus of this divided by 1 minus 0.75 Q82. Again copying just this, not writing it every time. Okay, brackets close, into 1 minus 0.012235 into 1 minus 0.5 Q84. So just changing this to 84. Now we have to just put the values. 1 minus 0.25 into 0.11279 divided by 1 minus 0.75 into 0.11279. Okay, brackets close, into 1 minus 0.012235 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0.13270. Again you can skip steps. I haven't skipped steps. So alt equal to, this answer is 0.79418. Okay, next, constant force of mortality. For constant force of mortality, assuming between integer ages, again do not write, please copy this and we'll just make the necessary changes for CFM. Under CFM, alt alt equals to tab, this becomes p underscore 82 to the power 0.25 see, this is not going because the brackets was under the highlighted area. So p to the power this into p underscore 63 p underscore 83 into p underscore 84 to the power 0.5. So this is equals to 1 minus q underscore 82 to the power 0.25 into 1 minus q underscore 83 into 1 minus q underscore 84 to the power 0.5. So 0.1235, just putting the values, and 13270 to the power 0.5, 0.79325. Okay, so this was CFM solving done.